experiment. Thank you, Tom. I finished.
No problem. So now there's another question about mediating versus moderation variables. So so the mediating variable talks about how two variables are related. So how are X and Y are related? Yeah, the process through X and Y are related. That's the mediating. And a moderating variable talks about the strength of that relationship, yeah, the strength and direction. So mediating is the process through which X and Y are related, and moderating is talking about the strength and the direction of that relationship.
Okay, that is not my my field study, but I will try to explain in my by my understanding.
I'm just going to type it down.
Vâng. Cái mediate variable và moderate variable thì mình cảm giác như là các bạn này là bạn đang sử dụng cái SEM đúng không nào? SEM với lại mấy cái mô hình structural equation modeling đúng không nào? Thì là mediating variable thì sẽ là cái bước mà để kiểm định xem là làm sao mà, tức là cái cách mối liên hệ giữa x và y, how, bằng cách nào mà x có liên hệ được với y. Thế còn moderating variable ấy, thì nó sẽ là nói về cái độ mạnh và cái, tức là liệu là cái mối quan hệ giữa x và y nó có mạnh hay không. Đấy thì là mình sẽ kiểm định, từ mình sẽ xem cái vấn đề cái moderating variable nó là how strong the relationship between x and y.
Okay, I'm translating for you from Han Nguyen. So the first question she asked is about moderating variable. If we test this variable, moderating variable, we will make the relationship between x and y stronger or weaker.
So testing it won't make it stronger or weaker. It's you know, it's a moderating variable. You're talking about the strength and direction. So you just uncover what the strength is and what the direction is. So you see how big the effect is and what the direction is. So you're not making it bigger or stronger by testing it.
Okay, thank you, Tom. The next question I want to ask you, I'm translating. For mediating this variable, how does this variable contribute to the reflections between x to y?
Yeah, so it's talking about the process by which x affects y. Yeah. So what's the process by which x affects y? That's what mediating variables is talking about. So does that, you know, x causes y, and then the moderating is just how much and in what direction does x affect y.
Okay, all right.
Someone's asking about materials or courses that start from scratch. For Duck, you have the Dropbox for all of the research methodologies, right? So you can share with the participants and all of your 8,700 members the Dropbox for all of the research methodologies, the systematic review, the qualitative, the surveys, the experiments, and the econometrics. Yeah? So you can share that Dropbox, which has all of the material for all of the methodologies.